Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to prevent followers on X. So, the way to prevent followers on X is by making your account private. And this will make anyone new who wants to follow you on X to send you a follow request that you must manually approve or deny. So let's go to X application, and now you want to go to your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, then scroll down to settings. Now from the list of sections you want to go to privacy and safety and go to audience and tagging, and at the very top of your screen you should see this option that says protect your posts, and please make sure that it's enabled. Let's read this message that X tells me. Only show your posts to people who follow you, and if selected, you will need to approve each new follower. So that means that from this moment, when you enable this function, anyone who tries to follow you will be forced to send a follow request. And let's go to that follow requests tab. Tap your profile picture, and from the list of sections right here, find follower requests. And here you will see all of your requests, and here you can approve them or deny them by using these buttons. So yeah, that's how you can prevent followers on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.